Hey Planner fam, Cyn here, Cyn.fully planned. How's everyone doing today? This is the YouTube Collab Loop Group, hosted by Creatively Lisa Marie. I'll leave her tagged in the description. Big shout out to her for hosting and creating these loop groups every single week of every single month. Well, pretty darn close, for years now. So this month, our theme is farm animals. And I went through my stash and I cannot believe that I don't have any freaking farm animals. And I actually can't believe that. I mean, I feel like I do. Nothing was coming to me. I was going through sticker books and I was just like, I don't know. And then I saw this cute little cat. So I have all kinds of stuff out, you guys. But I saw, I know you're like, you're in the fall stuff. Just trust the process, people. This little cat. This little cat reminded me, for some reason, if you've ever been to a farm, you own a farm, you're on a farm, every farm has a cat. And a lot of farms have barn cats. They like live in the barns and they are very well taken care of, so don't feel bad for them. But that's what inspired this. So I'm doing an April notes page based on this cat, because all farms have cats. They just do. And honestly, there are cat farms too. And I'm not talking about breeding. I'm talking about like rescues. So the town that I lived in when I was a kid actually had a cat farm. So this woman had a huge barn and all of this property, and she would rescue cats, and people would volunteer and clean up and go and feed them, and she took care of them all. It was incredible. Anyway, I digress. You're like, that's great. Anyway, farm, cat, that's what I'm going with. And I thought that I would put some flowers down, I think was what I was thinking. Maybe some of these are kind of pretty, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I'm thinking some of these, just a little bit. It's not going to be very farmy. It's just going to have the cat that reminds me of the cat farm and the farm, you know. I mean, all the farms that I've been on, they all have cats, so. That's my farm animal. And I feel like, I mean, I think that's like a thing. So anyway, that's what I'm going with. And the washi, I don't know if I want to go with the dot, the leopard, the polka dot. What do we think? What if we do the leopard? Is that too much? Polka dot? I'm not sure, you guys. Can you see this little kitty here? I'm looking at the kitty. He's like the star of the show. Let's do the leopard. Let's do the leopard. That might be kind of fun. Okay. So, really, this spread. Oh, I guess we need to talk about how the loop group works. Yeah? I know. I'm wrapping this all the way around my arm so that I can get some of the stickiness off. If you're new here, the way that the loop works is whatever video you start with, you like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And then when you're done, there will be a link in the description. That's very crooked. There will be a link in the description for the next video in the loop, and you just follow along. And when you get back to the video that you started with, you have completed the loop. Super easy. And it's fun because there is one theme and everybody just kind of runs with it. So I'm always excited to see what everyone does, but there's so many freaking cute farm animals, and for some reason I just couldn't, my mind was going crazy. And if I would have had time, I shouldn't have said that. If I would have thought about it sooner, I would have printed some things out and, you know, all that kind of good stuff. But oh, you hear Nubby. He's whining because he thinks it's dinner time, and it probably is. And I'm in here, so he's just gonna have to wait a minute. Come here, baby. He's gonna start getting really loud because he's like, excuse me, you did not feed me. Hello. He's such a little brat. Spoiled baby. Okay. Let's just put a bunch of flowers down. I know that's not very farmy, but there's flowers on the farm. And you know, bees and everything. Anyway, I feel bad because I did not print out some farm animals or anything like that. Because I could have done something. I just didn't think about it, and I honestly wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to do a notes page for the month, but I was not positive. Nubby, come here, baby. And this one here. All right. I'm going to put this kitty and oh, I should have put this journal underneath, I think. No, let's do this one. You probably can't even see what I'm pulling off, but I should have put this under those. I think I can lift that off. Oh, yeah. Okay. Maybe that one too. I did not think this layering thing through. Not that anyone is shocked, right? Okay. Lift these up. Those down. I'm putting our kitty up here. I did pull stickers that said April. So let's do that also. It's going to be a quick video today because it doesn't always take me very long to set this page up. And I just pop this in my planner and I use it for just random notes and things. So now he's out there drinking his water. He's going, I'll show you if you're not going to come and feed me. I'm going to drink this water and make a mess. And by mess, I mean he's going to drip water all over the place because he knows that he needs his chin cleaned when he's done drinking water. He's such a little baby. All right, let's see. Let's put some washi tape on here as well. I do believe we will need that. This pen is separate. Oh, not cut very well. Oh, hello, mister. Can I wipe your chin, please? Excuse me for 1 second. Nubby, come here. Let me get your chin, baby. Get your chin. I know you're such a good boy. Such a good boy. Thank you. Okay, good boy. All right. Sorry about that. We just had to get his chin so that he can. All right. There we go. See, I pulled that up. Let's see. Do I have? I believe I have a glue stick somewhere. I'll have to glue it down after. Anyway. Okay. Oh, and some glasses. That's cute, right? We can't journal without our glasses. Okay. Oh my gosh, he's losing his mind. He's so upset. He's like, Mama. You hear him? He's such a little baby, so spoiled. So spoiled. When he wants something, he wants it like right now. He's not playing at all. He's like, you get up and you get me what I want, or I will act like a fool. Which means he will get into stuff. He's just a little turkey. He's got so much personality, but he's a little turkey. Okay. I think that's it, honestly. I think that's good. I'll have to just put a little piece of tape or something right there. So, I know this isn't like totally, oh, I should have put a cup of coffee on it. It's okay, we're gonna run out of room. It's not completely farmy, but it is my take, right, on farm animals, and my farm animal is a cat. So, this is what I've done. This is my YouTube Collab Loop Group video for farm animals. My animal is a cat, a barn cat, farm cat. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and listening to me ramble. Make sure you head over to the description, click that link, follow along. I'll see you when you get back. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, drop a comment, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And as always, take care.